Welcome back to Slimsync. Today we're tackling the midday meal malaise, the struggle to eat healthy when work stress and time crunch hit at noon. The vending machine and greasy takeout are tempting, but you want something better for your weight loss journey. What if you could have 3 healthy, no-cook lunches, each prepped in under 10 minutes with just 1 container to clean? We're ditching the sad desk salad and last-minute regrets for fresh, energizing meals that keep you focused and full. No heat, no hassle, just smart, strategic assemblies using whole ingredients and bold flavors. Ready to reclaim your lunch hour? Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about the smoky tuna and white bean power jar. A portable, protein-packed lunch that's as easy to make as it is delicious. If you're looking for a meal that will keep you full, energized, and focused through your busiest days, this is it. With just a few simple ingredients and a little bit of prep, you can have a nutritious lunch ready to grab and go, whether you're heading to the office, working from home, or running errands. Start with canned tuna in water. Drain it well for lean protein. Tuna is not only convenient and affordable, but it's also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain. Make sure to choose tuna packed in water to keep things light and healthy. Next, add canned cannellini beans, rinsed thoroughly to remove excess sodium and starch. Beans are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Rinsing them not only improves the flavor, but also makes them easier to digest. These two are your satiety superheroes, protein and fiber to keep you full and energized for hours. Together, they help stabilize your blood sugar, curb cravings, and provide a steady stream of energy so you can power through your afternoon without reaching for snacks. Next, toss in some sturdy greens like chopped spinach. Spinach is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, plus iron and antioxidants. It adds a fresh, crisp texture to your jar and holds up well, even if you prep your lunch the night before. Add a generous handful of fresh parsley for a burst of flavor, and halved cherry tomatoes for juicy acidity and vibrant color. The parsley brightens up the whole jar, while the tomatoes add a sweet, tangy bite that pairs perfectly with the smoky dressing. Now, it's time to assemble. Layer the beans at the bottom of your glass jar, followed by the tuna, then pile on the greens and tomatoes. This order keeps the greens away from the dressing until you're ready to eat, so they stay crisp and fresh. For the dressing, whisk together extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, a pinch of smoked paprika, and a crack of black pepper. The olive oil brings healthy fats, the lemon juice adds brightness, and the smoked paprika gives that irresistible, savory depth that makes this jar so special. Pour the dressing carefully down the side of the jar so it settles at the bottom. This clever trick keeps the greens crisp and prevents sogginess, even if your jar sits in the fridge overnight. Seal the jar tight. It's travel ready and can be made the night before or in the morning rush. Just pop it in your bag and you're set for a healthy lunch wherever your day takes you. When it's lunchtime, just shake the jar vigorously to mix everything and coat the ingredients with that smoky, zesty dressing. No need for extra bowls or utensils, just shake, open, and enjoy. You get a high-protein, high-fiber meal under 400 calories. No microwave, no mess, and no excuses for skipping a nutritious lunch. It's perfect for busy days when you need something quick, filling, and good for you. The smoky paprika, zesty lemon, and fresh veggies make every bite satisfying. Each forkful is a burst of flavor and nutrition, making healthy eating something you'll actually look forward to. This jar is your defense against the afternoon slump and snack attacks. Instead of reaching for chips or candy, you'll have a meal that keeps you alert, satisfied, and ready to tackle whatever comes next. It's fast food, redefined, healthy, convenient, and delicious. Meal prep doesn't have to be boring or bland, and this jar proves it. Instead of a greasy burger or a sad desk lunch, you get a meal that fuels your brain and body. You'll feel the difference in your energy and focus all afternoon. Embrace the jar. Healthy eating can be this simple. Share the idea with your coworkers or friends, and you might just inspire a healthy lunch revolution at your workplace. Plan ahead, eat smart, and win your workday lunch game. With the smoky tuna and white bean power jar, you're not just eating better, you're setting yourself up for success, one delicious bite at a time. Next, let's go plant-based and discover a lunch that's as vibrant as it is nourishing. If you're looking for a meal that's quick, satisfying, and packed with flavor, you'll love this curried chickpea lettuce taco recipe. We're talking about curried chickpea lettuce tacos, a crunchy, spicy, and creamy lunch with zero guilt. This dish is a celebration of color, texture, and taste, all wrapped up in a fresh, crisp lettuce leaf. Start with canned chickpeas, drained and rinsed thoroughly to remove excess sodium and give you a clean, neutral base. Chickpeas are a powerhouse of plant-based protein and fiber, making them perfect for a filling lunch that won't weigh you down. Lightly mash them with a fork for a chunky, scoopable texture. You want some whole chickpeas for bite, but enough mash so the mixture holds together in your lettuce wraps. Stir in a generous spoonful of Greek yogurt for creaminess and extra protein. Greek yogurt not only adds a luscious texture, but also gives a tangy flavor that balances the spices beautifully. If you're vegan, swap in a plant-based yogurt for the same creamy effect. Add curry powder. Choose your favorite blend for bold flavor. Whether you like it mild or spicy, the curry powder infuses the chickpeas with warmth and depth. A little cumin goes a long way, adding earthiness and complexity. Squeeze in fresh lime juice for brightness, a pinch of salt, and a dash of cumin for depth. The lime wakes up all the flavors, making each bite pop with freshness. Mix until you have a creamy, golden chickpea salad. The color should be vibrant, and the aroma irresistible thanks to the blend of spices and citrus. Spoon the mixture into crisp romaine lettuce leaves, nature's perfect taco shell. Romaine is sturdy enough to hold the filling, yet tender and refreshing with every bite. Top with diced cucumber for crunch and fresh cilantro for a burst of herbaceous flavor. The cucumber adds a cooling contrast to the spiced chickpeas, while cilantro brings a fresh, zesty note. If cilantro isn't your thing, parsley works too. Both herbs add a pop of green and a layer of freshness that makes these tacos sing. This meal is light but filling, thanks to the protein and fiber in chickpeas. You'll feel satisfied and energized, not sluggish or weighed down. It's low-calorie, energizing, and anything but boring. The combination of flavors and textures keeps every bite interesting, making it a lunch you'll actually look forward to. Prep the chickpea mix ahead, keep lettuce separate, and assemble in seconds at your desk. This makes it perfect for meal prep. Just grab, assemble, and enjoy a fresh lunch anytime. The contrast of cool lettuce, creamy filling, and crunchy cucumber is unbeatable. Every bite is refreshing, satisfying, and full of flavor. It's a plant-based lunch that's exciting, satisfying, and supports your weight loss goals. You'll be amazed at how much flavor and satisfaction you can get from such simple, wholesome ingredients. No cooking, no compromise. Just smart, flavorful eating. With these curried chickpea lettuce tacos, you're not just eating healthy, you're enjoying every single bite. For our final act, let's truly elevate your lunch routine with the Smoked Salmon Protein Pot. A gourmet, no-cook meal that feels indulgent, yet perfectly aligns with your health goals. This isn't just another lunch. It's a moment of luxury you can enjoy at your desk, in the park, or wherever your day takes you. Imagine opening your lunch to find layers of vibrant color, fresh flavors, and a satisfying mix of textures, all in one convenient container. Begin with a generous base of cottage cheese or skyr. Both options are creamy, high in protein, and incredibly satisfying, making them the perfect foundation for a meal that will keep you energized all afternoon. The subtle tang of skyr or the mild richness of cottage cheese pairs beautifully with the flavors to come. Next, layer on slices of cold smoked salmon. Not only does it bring a rich, savory flavor, but it's also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and keeping you feeling your best. The silky texture of the salmon contrasts perfectly with the creamy base. Add a spoonful of capers for salty, tangy bursts that cut through the richness and add a gourmet touch. These little green gems bring a pop of flavor that makes every bite exciting. Sprinkle with fresh dill for a classic aromatic freshness. Dill is the herb that ties everything together, infusing the pot with a light, fragrant note that's unmistakably sophisticated. Finish with a generous zesting of lemon. The bright, citrusy lift from the lemon zest wakes up all the flavors, making the dish feel even more vibrant and refreshing. It's a simple touch that makes a world of difference. Carefully assemble everything in a glass container, layering each ingredient so every spoonful is a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. The presentation is almost as important as the taste. After all, we eat with our eyes first. There's no need to mix. Just dip your spoon in and enjoy each distinct layer, or scoop all the way to the bottom for the perfect bite. Every mouthful offers a new combination of flavors and textures. This meal is packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats, keeping you full, focused, and satisfied for hours. It's the kind of lunch that supports your body and mind, helping you power through even the busiest afternoons. Best of all, it's incredibly quick to prep. Just a few minutes in the morning or the night before, and you're set. It's easy to transport, making it ideal for busy workdays. And when you open it up, it feels like a special treat you've prepared just for yourself. Forget bland, uninspired sandwiches or sad desk salads. This is how you eat well, even on your busiest days. The Smoked Salmon Protein Pot is proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. With just a handful of fresh ingredients and a few minutes of prep, you can enjoy a meal that's both luxurious and practical. The Smoked Salmon Protein Pot is your ticket to a lunch that's as nourishing as it is elegant. No cooking required, just pure enjoyment. That's it. 3 no-cook lunches to help you eat better, stay focused, and lose weight. We built the tuna and white bean jar, the curried chickpea lettuce tacos, and the smoked salmon protein pot. Prep them ahead, take them anywhere, and make healthy eating effortless. These recipes show that you don't need more time, just smarter systems. Thanks for watching Slimsync. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more easy weight loss recipes for busy professionals. Your health is your greatest asset. Let's keep investing in it together.